In front of me is VIVO V60E, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. All you need to do is launch your keyboard and tap on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, don't worry, just hit this gear. Select the voice typing and use gray switcher to activate it. When your switcher is blue, go back to your keyboard and tap on Now Visible Microphone. Then start typing. If you never used it before, select while using the app in the pop-up. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wanna stop, you can pause or use the same microphone. When you're ready, you can click on your microphone and this time tap on tiny icon right next to it. Then you can use it from this toolbar. To move it around, hold it, drag it, place it wherever you want to, and let go. If you wanna delete text on the go, use this button with an X. If you want to access some available options, click on those three lines at the bottom left corner. And to go back to standard keyboard, use keyboard icon over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!